Hi, I'm Russ from bbqspitrotisseries Rotisseries. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect side to your barbecue. Some smoked potatoes. All right, first we're going to finely dice some rosemary. It's going to go with our spuds perfectly. We've chopped our rosemary. We're going to start seasoning our potatoes. Today we're using a mini little Royale Red and a baby white. Less fun. A little bit of olive oil, some salt, pepper, and garlic because it's all in that little container. Our rosemary, and then Parmesan later. So we want to try and coat the potatoes evenly with our olive oil so we can get a nice season on them. So obviously you can use salt, pepper, garlic powder, but we have a rub that we sell here. It's got them all in it. SPG stands for salt, pepper, and garlic. And mixy, mixy, mixy. We're going to go a little heavy on the seasoning because we're really only coating the outside of the potato. All the inside, we get its flavor from the outside. Alright, so we got them all seasoned up. They're kind of marinating a little bit. We're going to get them into our cast iron. This one's a 10-inch. Alright, so we've got them in our cast iron skillet. They fit absolutely fantastically, in case you haven't noticed. We're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese at the beginning. It's going to get nice and crispy, and a little bit more at the end. Alright, we got our S&S set up. We're going to do a little indirect cooking. We're going to smoke our spuds here with our cherry wood. Just on top. Bam. Make sure the vent is over the potatoes. Alright everybody, it's been 40 minutes. We're going to give these a little spin. Get some butter on there and a little bit of Parmesan. As you can see, they're darkening it up nicely. They're going to need a little more time, so we're going to add some butter. Everything is better with butter. And a little more parm. I love it when the parm crisps up. It gives it that nice flavor. Alright, it's been about exactly an hour. We're going to give the potatoes a little bit more of a shaky and a little bit more butter. Every time you think you got enough butter on your barbecue, add more. Oh yeah! Oh. Cheese is starting to stick. A little bit more of that. They're looking good. 20 more minutes and I reckon we'll be done. Alright, it's been 1 hour and 15 minutes. They look pretty good. Let's see if they're done. Ooh, perfect. A little resistance on the skin, but the fork just slides through. Alright, potatoes are done. It's starting to cool, and while they do, we're going to melt a little bit more Parmesan on there, eh? Ooh, how's the sizzle? There you have it, our garlic Parmesan smoked potatoes. Let's see how we went.